This is the Woodford RK-70 repair kit. This does work for the models 70, 80, and 85, as well as many different other Woodford models. So we'll go ahead and get everything out of the package here. Everything's set here. Now on the front of the package, it will come with a list of the parts that the package will include, as well as a little picture diagram of how they go and where. So we'll go ahead and take a couple measurements of each part here. We'll start with the head nut assembly. With the head nut assembly, it is hexed here with the internal female threads there. And it should have that rubber O-ring here at the bottom of these threads. So we'll go ahead and take a total length measurement. So we'll measure from the end here to the end of the threads here. So it measures right at about 2.5 inches. And then we'll get an outer diameter of that hexed portion. And that measures right at about 1.5 inches. And we'll measure the yoke nut here. With this, both ends should have the female threads. It's there and there as well. It'll also have the 2 holes, one on this side and then a hole on that side as well, and then that little flanged portion there. So we'll go ahead and get a total length, and the total length measures right at 2 inches, and then get an outside diameter here, the outside diameter here with that flanged portion there, and that outer diameter measuring right at about 1 inch, or right about 3/4 of an inch, with an inside diameter of right at 1/2 inch. Okay, and then we can measure this T handle here. We get a total length, measures right at about 1 3/4 inches, and then we can get a length of just that handle part of right at about 1 3/4 inches as well. And then we'll measure the ball valve rubber. You see it's this dome shape here. So we'll get a total height. And that total height measures right at about, right above 1/2 inch. And then we can measure the packing nut as well. Get a total length, measures right at 3/4 of an inch. And then we'll also get an outer diameter of that brass washer here. And that measures right at 2 inches. And once again, this is the Woodford RK-70 repair kit.